So in this video, let's learn how to clean data for data science. So I have this data and I need to show you the data. And I want to do some data analysis. I want to show all these. First of all, I downloaded this data from Kaggle, and this data is basically or most common um, state is Washington. And this data is about electrical vehicle. So you can, if you want to work with this data, you can go to kaggle.com and you can download uh, electrical EV, electrical automobile. Sorry, EV. I'm sorry. I was I stopped thinking. What did I type in? So it is all electric vehicle. So I have a problem in this data. What I want to show, these are the columns, and here is the data. It is a very big data. Uh, is about 150,400. Hold on, it's so small to read. 150,483 rows. So big, big, big data. And what I encountered that even this Google Sheets and Excel, they slow down very, very. I have a hard time. So my analysis, I want to make some geographical. So the data did not come in with longitude and latitude. It came up with just a point, location point. But when we are graphing, when we are plotting a graph or a map, I need to know my longitude and latitude. So in this video, let me show you what I did. This is not the only method to clean the data. And when I clean this location point, and so how do I make things a little bit easier? I don't know what easy is because it's relative to each person. So what works for you? I'm just sharing what I did, what worked for me. So, excuse me. So what I did first, I copied this point location and I made a new column. Let me just do that. So in this video, I don't want to I don't want to use the whole data because it's my control copy. Because Google Sheets are slowing down. They are not responding. For that reason, I want to just work with just a small amount of data. And this is the point location. Underscore location. I normally don't like to leave a space in between because it gives me, I don't have a good experience in the past. So I always use, if there are two words, I always use to uh, insert underscore in between. So what I'm going to do, the first thing I need to select this data, and I'm going to delete the word point and opening parentheses. So I'll go to edit. I'm going to go to find and replace, and the word what you want to find. So POINT is space. It is really difficult to see space, but there's a space in between T and open parentheses. I want to find this. I already selected the range. So you need to select the range and then replace with nothing. Replace all and done. So now the word point and open parentheses are gone. Now what we're going to do, we are going to split the data into two columns, longitude and latitude. So select the data again. Make sure you do the you deselect and then select again. I don't know. I mean, it did not work for me when I have the data was already selected. So I just um, deselect and select it again. Now I'm going to go to data and I'm going to split text to columns. Text to columns, go, and here are what the delimiters are. I have it space. It is really difficult to see the space, but they are separated by space. So I'm going to select a space. And now we have longitude and latitude are separated. It took me a long time to figure this out, so I do want to share this with you. Rename the column, and it's a point location, and this is longitude, TUDE, longitude. And did I copy? No, I did not. I misspelled it. Enter, and latitude, latitude, latitude. So that is how we separate. If you have a point or some wordings are in there, you want to delete this, delete the parentheses, and then separate that point. Uh, Data entry people put it together, separate into two. Now you can use this or these points, use creating a geomap. Okay, whenever you're creating a map or geomap, you need longitude and latitude separately um, in two columns. Okay, so that's what I have. I'm going to stop here. Thank you for watching.